Good morning, students. Welcome again. We are doing chapter 5 of geography, that is minerals and energy resource. Today we will discuss mode of occurrence of minerals. Right? So let's start. The first question arises, where from where these minerals found? Where are these minerals? Minerals are usually found in ores. Have you seen ever iron ore? Ore means raw form of mineral. So, minerals are usually found in ores. The term ore is used to describe an accumulation of any mineral mixed with the other elements. That means mineral mixed with other elements under the earth crust. The mineral content of the ore must be in sufficient concentration to make its extraction commercially viable. The type of formation or structure in which the minerals are found or the minerals determines the relative ease with which mineral ores may be mined. This also determines the cost of extraction. It is therefore important for us to understand the main types of formation in which minerals occur. Study the types of formations in which minerals occur. Minerals generally occur in various forms. First, we can find in igneous and metamorphic rocks. In igneous and metamorphic rocks, minerals may occur in the cracks, faults, or joints. The smaller occurrences are called veins and the larger are called lodes. In most cases, they are formed when minerals in liquid molten and gaseous forms are forced upward through cavities toward the earth's surface. They cool and solidify as they rise. Major metallic minerals like tin, copper, zinc, and lead, etc., are obtained from the veins and lodes. What you understand? You have studied that molten magma under the earth crust sometimes put pressure to come out on the earth's surface. It put pressure and make crack between the plates or under the earth crust. Sometimes it comes out, that we called volcanic eruption. Sometimes it couldn't find place to come out and slowly cool down in that cracks. That type of minerals we can find from the cracks or the veins or from the lodes, right? So Major metallic minerals are obtained from veins and lodes. Now, minerals occur in sedimentary rocks also. In sedimentary rocks, a number of minerals occur in beds or layers. As sedimentary rocks are made up of layer, so minerals are also occur in layers. They have been formed as a result of deposition, accumulation, and concentration in horizontal strata. Coal and some form of iron ore have been concentrated as a result of long period under great heat and pressure. Another group of sedimentary minerals include gypsum, potash, salt, and sodium salt. These are formed as a result of evaporation, especially in arid regions. What do you understand? In sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition, accumulation, and concentration. So, minerals are found in the layers of sedimentary rocks, right? Now, the another mode of formation involve the decomposition of surface rocks. Another mode to occur minerals are decomposition of surface rocks and the removal of soluble concentrants, leaving a residual mass of weathered material containing ores, bauxite, etc. Again, certain minerals may occur as alluvial deposit in sands of valley floor, and the base of hills. Some area of tarai or foothills, minerals occur as alluvial deposit. These deposits are called placer deposits and generally contain minerals which are not eroded by water. Gold, silver, tin, platinum are most important among such minerals which are found in alluvial deposit, which are called placer deposits. Now the next is the ocean waters contain vast quantities of minerals, but most of these are too widely diffused to be of economic significance. However, common salt, magnesium, and bromine are largely derived from ocean waters. The ocean beds too are rich in manganese nodules. India is fortunate to have fairly rich and varied mineral resource. However, these are unevenly distributed. Unevenly distributed means these minerals are not found everywhere or in same amount. In one place, it is found in heavy amount, and another place maybe there are less deposit of that mineral. Somewhere one type of mineral is found, and in another place there is another type of mineral is found. So we can say the minerals are unevenly distributed. Peninsular rocks contain most of the reserve of coal, metallic minerals, mica, and many other non-metallic minerals. Sedimentary rocks on the western and eastern flanks of the peninsula in Gujarat and Assam have most of the petroleum deposits. Rajasthan, with the rock system of the peninsula, has reserve of many non-ferrous minerals. The vast alluvial plain of North India are most devoid of economic minerals. These variations exist largely because of the difference in the geological structure, processes, and time involved in the formation of minerals. So, we have studied that in India, minerals are unevenly distributed. And why it is unevenly distributed? Because of these minerals depends on geological structure, their process, and time. So they are different and unevenly distributed. We will study the distribution of few major minerals in India. Always remember that the concentration of mineral in the ore the ease of extraction and closeness to the market play an important role in affecting the economic viability of a reserve. Thus, to meet the demand, a choice has to be made between a number of possible options. When these done, a mineral deposit or reserve turns into a mines. Means if any mineral reserve is near to market, near, and extraction of those minerals are easy, then that reserve turns into mines. We will discuss one by one about different minerals. In our last class, we have studied classification of minerals, in which we have seen that minerals are of three types: metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals, and energy resource. And then we have studied metallic minerals are of three kinds: ferrous minerals, non-ferrous minerals, and precious metals. Metallic minerals, in which metal contains, and metal, it is also categorized the minerals in which iron contains, it is called ferrous. In which other than iron, the minerals in which other than iron metal contains, it is called non-ferrous. And there are some metal-like minerals, which is very precious, that is gold, silver, etc. And we have studied non-metallic minerals, in which metal does not contain, and then we have studied the category of energy minerals, right? First, we will discuss ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals account for about 3/4 of the total value of the production of metallic minerals. They provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industries. India exports substantial quantities of ferrous minerals after meeting her internal demands. In ferrous minerals, first of all, we will discuss iron ores. Iron ore is the basic mineral and the backbone of industrial development. India is endowed with fairly abundant resources of iron ore. India is rich in good quality iron ores. Magnetite is the finest iron ore with a very high content of iron, up to 70%. Means in magnetite iron ores, iron percentage of iron is 70. It has excellent magnetic qualities, especially valuable in the electrical industries. Another hematite ore is the most important industrial iron ore in terms of the quality used, but has a slightly lower iron content than magnetite, 50 to 60%. So student, today we have discussed formation of minerals and we have started ferrous minerals. Better go through your book, read carefully. If there is any query, you can ask. So, enough for today. We will discuss more in our next class. Thank you.